Next tip.
Hey guys, yeah, it's been a while since I've done a video at all, for that matter. But yeah, this first tip is always use the same colors. So let's say you have the color yellow. You can use beige for a lighter tone and orange and red for darker tones.
Next tip.
Huh? Hey yo, my oof remix. Hey yo, hey no. Yeah, so this next tip is about how you should use lighter tones first and then go over them with darker tones. Like this blue right here. As you can tell, the blending goes way better and it gives a better result overall.
Next tip.
So for this third and final tip, my personal opinion is that you should take your time while drawing these. This bad boy right here took me over a couple hours to draw overall, and I think it's looking quite good. I hope you guys like this video, and see y'all in the next one. Enjoy the review.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my